Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel Jeevan Vidhan. Today I'll show you how to make grilled chicken with grilled vegetables. Ingredients are whole chicken, whole chicken with skin, black pepper, salt, and freshly chopped parsley and garlic, and oyster sauce and HB sauce for dressing of this whole grilled chicken. And we're using for grilled vegetables both kind of zucchini, yellow and green color, and sweet potato and baby potatoes and cherries. Now I'll show you how to make the marination for the grilled chicken. So marination, I'm taking a bit of oyster sauce. So maybe 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, and 2 tablespoons of HB sauce, uh, and chopped garlic, fine chopped garlic, and fine chopped parsley, and salt for taste, and final black pepper. Need to marinate it well, and you see it is enough for grilled chicken, whole chicken for now. I think required a little bit of oyster sauce in this. A bit of HB. So now marination is ready, and meanwhile I'll keep it ready for I already added the piping bag. I added butter, room temperature butter, and chopped parsley and chopped garlic to put it on the skin of the chicken. Okay. Okay, the marination is ready. I'm applying whole grilled chicken, the all marination. Eventually, I have to go all the places. It has to go inside also. So we have applied everywhere the marination. No need to keep it thawing and all. As I told you, I have taken the piping bag, chopped garlic and chopped parsley, and room temperature better. I'm just tucking inside. There's a gap. Just tucking inside. Make sure it has to go inside. Now the grilled chicken marination is ready. Now I'm showing how to keep it in the oven. We already keep the oven already started. Preheated oven is ready. Okay, we will show it now. Before adding in the grilled in the oven, we need to keep the main course should be ready. Roughly chopped carrot, and roughly chopped onion, and roughly chopped garlic. Now it's ready. So the chicken is ready, marination chicken. So we need to keep it like this in way. If you want, you can add water in this. Actually, not required. Chicken is having lots of water. While cooking, it will combine this. So we need to silver foil it nicely and we'll keep it in the oven. Give me a second. Make sure to cover all the sides. So oven is ready, preheated. We kept for half an hour before, 180 degrees C. Now we are adding the whole grilled chicken in this. It will take 35 minutes to prepare this grilled chicken. I'll show you step by step. Meanwhile, we'll make it how to. We'll keep the grilled vegetables immediately. So vegetables already slightly cutted. This is zucchini, carrot, again yellow zucchini, sweet potato and baby potatoes. So I'm adding in front of you the marination. Adding black pepper in this, bit of salt and freshly thyme in this and garlic. And adding a little bit on this and finally olive oil. Stop. So just you need to mix it thoroughly in this and you need to again divide it. We'll sort it out everywhere, then we'll keep it in the oven. Marination grilled vegetables I'm also keeping in the oven. As I told you, it will take 35 minutes. We will check it. We'll come back to you. Hi, now 35 minutes over. We will opening the silver foil. We'll see whether chicken is cooked or not. Yeah, very good aroma is coming now. Perfectly cooked chicken. You can insert the knife. Nicely going. So what we will do now? We will take the whole chicken in the separate bowl. You can see the juicy, right? This is the chicken juice. We will add a little bit of in the juice. We will strain this juice. We'll add a little bit of red wine. We will make it reduce it off. Then we'll add on the again on the whole chicken. We will again 220 degrees. We will cook it by 15 minutes. Okay. So you can see the stock, right? We are not added any water in this while we preparing it. So we can have to strain this. This is a chicken stock. Strain it nicely, and we'll add red wine in this. So now we will cook it. Reduce this amount. We will cook it for 10 minutes. Then we'll pour it on the whole chicken. We will cook it by 15 minutes, adding 220 degrees temperature. Okay. Now the whole chicken without wrapper, we kept it in the oven for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, we will reducing it this red wine and whole chicken. Take 5 minutes to reduce it. Once it get above 50% on this, we will add on the whole chicken. We will cook it nicely. So almost is done now. 50% got reduced. So we will add on the top of the chicken now. Okay, you need to pour it on the top on this. Now we will cook it now without wrapper. We will cook it for 220 degrees C in 15 minutes. So meanwhile, our grilled vegetables are ready now. Hi viewers, now the grilled chicken is ready. You can see entire skin is very got crispy and grilled vegetables also ready. Now we will do the plating. All chicken. Okay, now we will doing the plating. We will keeping the roast potatoes on the side and another side roasted sweet potato. Other side carrots. Other side zucchini, yellow zucchini. Other side green zucchini. Final cherry tomatoes, and we're adding fresh chives in this. Guys, I think this is the final presentation of grilled chicken with the grilled vegetables. I have made the jus out of this. I've taken the equal quantity of butter and equal quantity of butter, equal quantity of flour mixed together. Once it's come the boiling point, I added whatever the rest of the stock it is there on the oven in the plate. Then I added this and make the such a nice juice in this. This one you can say juice. I'm adding on the top of in this. This is the final dish of grilled chicken. If you like my video, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Signing off. Narayan.